The Autel Ultra S2 is jam-packed of features, and today we are going to be going over all of those features. Now, if you want to know more training after this video, well, Advanced Auto Parts is partnering up with CTI, and they are making an Autel Ultra S2 class that goes more in depth on these features. But today, we're just going to show you what is available. So as we jump into the diagnostics tab on this scanner, we will be then granted by Topology. Now, this isn't any old Topology. This is Topology 3.0. So just a few features of Topology 3.0. Obviously, we can see all of the CAN lines and the electrical structure of this vehicle all laid out very easily for us to really understand. And then on the flip side of things, maybe there's an ECM or an ECU that we do not know where it's at inside of the vehicle. We can simply just click ECM, and then we now know that this is the engine control module, tells us all about it, tells us how many DTCs are inside of this control module, only if we have scanned it, which we have not yet. And then on top of that, it will also show us the locations graphic. So we now know exactly where this engine control module is on this Audi A6. Now, on top of this, we are also going to be able to ping networks. So if we have some issues with a network being down, we can now ping it to figure out exactly what is the problem. Now, you can utilize this in as many ways as you possibly can think. So this is one of those features that some of the other scan tools on the market do not have. Now, kind of moving on from that, we also on this Audi are going to have CAN gateway scan, so we can activate that. We can jump in here, and yes, you can buy tokens as you need to for Audis, and then of course this does have all of the access through auto authorization to do Mercedes, Stellantis, and Nissan. Now, we're going to be able to do all of the gateways as you can see here. But more importantly, I'm just going to jump back up into the auto scan here, and we're going to see just how fast this thing can, well, scan like the 30 or 40 modules that are on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and jump into the graphical diagnostics. If you hit control unit top left, it will go into the control unit. But with graphical diagnostics, we can now see the architecture of the exhaust system and multiple other systems depending on what type of vehicle it is. So, in this case, we get an overhead view of exactly what the exhaust system looks like, how it's routed. We can see the exact location of the sensors within the exhaust system, particularly for this vehicle. So now we are at live data fusion. Now, what this allows us to do is add multiple modules, like the engine control module and the transmission control module, directly into one live data. So now we can graph merge this together, as you can see in the middle of the screen, all the way down on the bottom. We can graph merge everything together. We can record this data. We can freeze it, obviously clear to the top, so on and so forth. But the interesting one really here is graph merging, and then of course, being able to click stuff from the engine control module and the transmission control module. Now, if you do not like to see it in this form, and maybe you like to see it in a bar setting, you can do that by the top right up there. There's a little bar icon, and you can see all of this data in a bar icon. If you want to see this in a graph setup, you can see that directly here, as you can see on the screen. And then if you want to merge all of this data, because maybe all of it is simultaneously need to be looked at, you can actually do that. Start the fusion, and now they are all fused together directly on this screen. Now, on top of that, we also have a bar graph that we can utilize here. On particular modules and vehicles, you will actually have access to the guided functions button. And on this Audi A6, this is one of them, and it presents us with the engine control module, the transmission electronics, the gateway, hybrid battery management. Now, just kind of moving on, we're going to go back over into the measurements tab of this scan tool. And in the measurements tab, we're going to notice that we are presented with the oscilloscope, the multimeter, the waveform generator, and bus inspection. Now, with the oscilloscope, you can jump in here, and because we do not have our VCMI directly plugged in, we are going to enter the demo mode, and now you can play around with the oscilloscope if you have never used one before. Now, keep in mind, if you want to know more about how to use an oscilloscope and basic functions or even advanced functions on the oscilloscope, Advanced Auto Parts with CTI is going to be presenting classes that you can sign up for. Please feel free to comment down below if you are interested in those classes. This is the present case. So, to be able to utilize that, all you had to do was click up the vehicle with a little waveform at the top left up there by the play button, and it will actually bring you up to that menu. You can click which one you're working on. For this instance, we're looking at the AC blower, and this is actually going to give you a connection guidance help guide. So you can just look through here. You can expand it open, and as you can see there, it will show you how to connect that directly from there. And then it also will give you a real-time picture of how to connect that as well. Pretty neat, pretty neat. And then it'll give you an example of what the waveform should probably look like. And it'll give you the waveform analysis along with a disclaimer. If you want to program modules on vehicles, well, that is okay. You can do that with this scan tool by utilizing the Remote Expert function. Now, with Remote Expert, this is going to allow you to pay an expert to program a module for you. And now let's go ahead and jump into the DVI. Now, once we've taken pictures all around this vehicle, AI is going to actually circle and highlight scratches and dents on the vehicle.